Well, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we do tech unboxings, reviews, and everything in between. If you're new here today, then welcome. And if you really like what you see today, which I hope you do, then please consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. Now today's video is an exciting one because we have an Apple product, and not just any Apple product. We have an Apple Watch Series 6. Now this watch is the 44mm in the blue aluminum case with the deep navy sport band. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing, then take a quick look at it, and that will be that. So let's get into it. Now as always with Apple products, this is going to be a pretty clean, minimal unboxing experience. So on the back of the box here, it gives you information. It says Series 6, blue aluminum case. I'm actually kind of curious to see how the blue of this watch compares to the blue on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is a phone that I have. All right, so let's open this up. There we go. I like how the Apple Watch is like embossed, engraved, what have you, in the box. Looks clean, looks nice. So I think you pull these tabs or something. Oh, I see. Look at that. That's interesting. I did not know there were two different boxes. Alright, so you got this, which is like the actual, I thought this is like the actual box, but it's a separate like casing around it. So you've got all your different watch combinations on here, different bands, stuff that you can buy. Kind of cool. So we'll set this aside. And in here we have our deep navy blue sport band, which I'll open up in a moment, but that's not as important as the watch itself. So here's the actual watch box. You've got the Apple Watch symbol on the front in the navy blue color, which is pretty cool. It's actually raised off the box just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. Kind of a nice touch there. Pretty slim box. Oh yeah, so on the side here it says Series 6 44mm blue aluminum case. All right. And there it is. So you've got your documentation in here, how to charge it. If you don't know how to charge this, why are you buying it? I'll just say that right now. Then here you have your charging cable and no charging brick. Thank you, Apple. And here is the watch itself. So it's in this cool little blue, it looks leather, but it's like a paper casing here. I saw other videos and I thought it was like a leather casing, which would have been really cool, but it's not leather. So you got the crown on the side here. Even the crown is blue. Looks very cool. All right, we'll pull it out of its little pouch. Maybe. So there is the watch in all its glory. That beautiful glass back. Look at how clean that is. Never to be that clean again. In the front, your nice big 44mm screen, which is dirty already. Got some, I believe those are microphone holes on the side. Your crown, another microphone hole, and the button. Then on the back you have all your different sensors. Very clean. Now I know they release a new watch every year. This design isn't much different from the Series 4 and the Series 5. I have a Series 3 watch here we can kind of compare it to. Slight difference there. All right, so let's get the sport band out here and we can get that hooked up. See the presentation on that. Pretty nice. I never really liked the sport bands here. As you can see on my Series 3, I've got this leather, brown leather band from Amazon. Just a little bit nicer. Slide that. Slide that, and there we go. That is your finished product. It does look nice with the blue of the band though, matching the blue aluminum casing of the watch. See how it looks on my wrist here. All right, let's turn it on. And there we go. So in this video, I'm not actually gonna go through the setup process and all that. I just kind of want to unbox it, get some first impressions. Let's compare this to the phone here. So this here, 12 Pro Max blue versus Apple Watch. Not really the same color at all. They're totally different shades of blue. This is like a deep navy and this is more of like an aqua. So if you've got the blue 12 Pro Max or the 12 Pro and you want to get the blue Apple Watch to match it, just know, unfortunately, it's not going to quite match perfectly. Bit of a downside, but you know what? That's okay. Honestly, I don't think the like more aqua-ish color of the 12 Pro Max would look good on a watch. Maybe it would, I don't know. But I do like the dark blue here. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. This is just a quick unboxing, quick first look at the Series 6 Apple Watch in the blue color. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more Apple Watch videos in the future, maybe a video of me setting this up or an actual review of the watch, then give me a comment down below and let me know. If you liked the video today, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you loved it, then maybe consider subscribing. Maybe, I don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.